This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the screen color on your Lenovo tablet. So if this isn't working for whatever reason, scroll on down from the top. And there's tons of these little buttons that could be affecting your screen color. So we can just scroll through here. And the first one I see is going to be probably the reading mode. So if we have reading mode turned on, it might have like a grayscale or a custom effects or some sort of tint for reading. So make sure we have that turned off. For some reason I got device controls on here, that's not going to do anything. So I just turned that off. No, I didn't. But we can go on over here. Then we got dark mode. Dark mode might be affecting your screen. Auto brightness might be affecting it. Then we got eye protection, might give it like a red tint. We can just turn this off too. Or we can just hold down on it. It'll go directly to the settings page. And we got color correction right here. This might be doing something this weird grayscale thing or extra dim. So we can look at these buttons, or we can go to the top right and go through here, and we can stop at display. We can look at the different displays. So we got screen color mode right here. This is vibrant or standard, warm, cool. So we might want to adjust that. We got adaptive color to environment. If we have this turned on, might change all the time. And then we got adaptive brightness. Screen refresh mode, that's fine. Eye protection mode, that's going to give it a little bit of a tint too. So you might want to turn that off. A read mode, that might give it like a weird gray tint as well. Scroll on down, I don't see anything else. Here's more display settings. Okay, lift awake. And then we can go on down to accessibilities. Or we can go to advanced features. We might have PC mode on if it's really strange. But let's go to where it says accessibilities. And under here we got like color and motion. We got color correction. That button I showed you. This might give you a weird color to that, color correction. If we have this turned on, that's color inversion. So just look at the button, and then we got dark theme right here. Okay, let's go back under here, and we might see some more options through here. So just look in a couple different places. You can also go to general settings. Maybe you have an option to just reset all your settings under here. So if something gets messed up, you can just reset it. Otherwise, you can just try factory resetting. This will delete everything from your tablet and make it, like new, like you just got out of the box. Then you have to sign back in again. But look at that as an option. Hopefully, this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.